koutou. It's so good to see you. Kei te rongo koutou, do you hear that? It's the Toy Time trumpets. That must mean it's time to party! Let's go.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Keep on your toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun and when I'm really excited. We gonna have a good time and you're all invited. We got Tama, Jojo, Ma, Wolfie on marimbas. And we got Anika Moy, yeah, we on my cuss. I'll tell her, tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! Aya! Tama! Jojo! Buzz! Anika! Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Keep on your toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
Tēnā koutou katoa. Nau mai and welcome to Toy Time. I'm Tama and these are my beautiful friends called Jojo tēnei,
Kia ora.
ko Maya tēnei,
Hello.
and we better get a move on because today we're going somewhere super cool where you can see heaps of different kararehe, heaps of animals. Would you two like a clue?
Yes, please.
Okay, it starts with F and it sounds like...
Elbow. Falbo?
Close. Starts with F and sounds like...
Hand. Fend. No.
So close, so close. Keep going. Starts with F and sounds like...
Oh, arm. Farm.
Yep, that's it.
Hey, Mōhio.
Tēnā koutou e aku hoa Pumau. How can I help you today?
Mōhio, what sort of animals can you see at a farm?
Lots of different animals live on a pāmu, a farm, including cows, sheep, chickens, waka, ngā nanekoti, me ngā waiho. You might even see a farm dog.
Miharo, I love animals.
Well, you're going to need these
Oh,
gumboots.
kamaputu. Yes.
I know.
Thanks, Tama. To protect our feet from all the mud and, you know, animal poop.
Animal poop.
To the farm!
The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes a wife, the farmer takes a wife. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes a wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi ho the
The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Howdy, partner.
Howdy, partner.
Oh, I thought you was talking to me. What in the blazes do we have here, Maya?
Well, Tama, I've rounded up these trusty hoi-ho to take for a ride. Yours is Ira because he's spotty. This is Uira because she's fast as lightning like you, Jojo. And this is Tiakarete because he's the colour of chocolate and I love chocolate.
Giddy up!
So, how do we make them go, Maya?
Oh, you say walk on and click like this.
Walk on. Whoa.
Walk on. Walk on.
Oh, you could try giving Uira a gentle nudge with your foot, Jojo. That might help.
Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Come on, Tiakarite. We have to help Jojo.
Me too. Woo.
You're right, Maya. Uira is as fast as lightning. How do I get her to slow down?
Pull back on the reins, Jojo, and say whoa.
Whoa! Oh, phew. Why atu tēnei?
Me there. Hey, who's ready to trot? Ride, ride, ride your horse gently down the hill. Trotting, 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 life is but a thrill. All right. Who's ready to go a little faster? Let's canter. Ride, ride, ride your horse gently down the hill. Cantering, 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 life is but a thrill. All right. Giddy up, everybody. It's time to gallop. Ride, ride, ride your horse gently down the hill. Galloping, 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 life is but a thrill. Yeehaw!
Kia ora, my cuzzies. Hey, it's me, Buzz the Cuz, back on another amazing adventure. Today, we're going to find some farm animals. Come on. Cuzzies, while we're out here looking for animals today, we've got to be really quiet when we find them. We don't want to scare them off. Okay, come on. Yep. Look who I found. It's Coco, the co. Kia ora, Coco. See you later. Hey, let's see who else we can find, eh? Come on. Yeah. I see some friends who might be hungry. Let's go see if they want some food. Come on. Tēnā kōrua. Have a good day. Let's keep going. Check it out. It's a nanekoti. Kia ora. Kia ora, Mr. Nanekoti. Hey, come back. Come back, I want to play. Oh, just me and you then, Mr. Nanekoti. Exactly, exactly. Now I want to see where this feather comes from. I wonder, it's got black and blue colours on it. Oh, there's so many birds here. Let's see which one it belongs to. Let's go. Excuse me, did you lose a feather? Hey, does this feather belong to you? Oh, no? Okay. What about you, bro? No? Okay. Did you lose this feather? No? How about you? No? Okay. Well, I'm gonna leave it down here for anyone who wants a feather.
It's been such an amazing day today, cuzzies. We've met so many friends. We met some hoi-ho, some koos, some hey-hey, and now even a kuni-kuni. See you later, cuzzies.
Knock, knock.
Ko ai tērā.
Goat.
Goat who?
Go to the door and find out. Yo, yo, Jojo. Oh, tell me, what do you know?
It's Buzz, the cuz, brings toys. Who does?
Let's go, little coat. Amazing. I love it. Oh, miraka. Tino reka. Did you get it from the farm?
Actually, Buzz, it's oat milk.
Huh?
Te taia e au te inu miraka kau. It gives me a sore puku when I drink milk.
Oh, well, it looks delicious. Hey, are you ready for takaro time?
Sure am, baby lamb.
Well, today I brought some animals to live in your farm with you.
Okay.
I brought a...
Poaka.
I brought a...
Hoi ho.
I brought a...
A kau.
I brought a...
Hey, hey.
Pamehei.
Oh.
I brought a...
Hippie.
Hippie poa.
A hippie toa.
Mm-hmm. This one?
A baby hippie.
That's right. And last but not least, a...
Hey, hey.
Hey, hey. Amazing.
Hey, Buzz.
Yeah?
How do you wash a sheep's coat?
How?
In the bath.
Oh, 'cause then they go... Hey, do you know what I like? Playing with the pretend animals instead of real ones?
No, why?
No, cow pets.
Oh, you can't pet the cows.
No, not petting. Cow pets. Cow pets is like another name for cow poo.
Oh.
E roke kau.
Oh, yeah. Then yes, I'm very happy there aren't any cow pets here.
Yeah.
Kia ora tamariki mā, I'm Auntie Anika. Nā, I tēnei rā, I'm going to show you how to do farm animal yoga. Yoga is great for helping you relax and for helping calm your mind down if it's racing along like a runaway horse. Whoa, horsey. First up is the cow pose. Here we go. Hands and knees on the ground. Arch the belly while looking down. Now, while you're here, take some nice slow breaths. Haki roto in, haki waho out. You can even close your eyes if you want to. Are you still there? Ka pai. Okay, next is the downward farm dog pose. Right, here we go. Remember, slow breaths in and out. Don't worry if you fart. That's a good sign you're nice and relaxed. Oops. Haki roto. Haki waho. Oh. I feel so relaxed. Finally, the falcon pose, ka rea rea. This one's a bit tricky, but I know you can do it. E tū. Okay, hands together and one foot up on your knee. Oh, shake it out. Ka pai, all done. Namaste.
Oh, hey, Oma. Yeah. E whakaro rangatira tāku. Let's play charades.
That is a great idea.
Yeah.
I just have one question about charades. How do you play?
It's easy, Oma, and really fun. I will act out a type of farm animal, and you try and guess which one it is.
Oh, I like the sound of that. Off you go, Wolfie.
Okay, Oma. Ready? Moo. That's right, Oma. Your turn now.
Oh, I know.
Or just don't pretend to be a rabbit.
Oh.
That would be too easy.
I won't. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
Oh, aha. Wink, wink. Wink.
Oh, you're a pig. He poaka. It was the noise that gave it away.
I quite like being a pig. If I wasn't a bunny, I'd like to be a puaka kune. They're so cute and funny. What do you think, Wolfie? What would you be if you weren't a wuruhi?
I would change into a rapiti, Oma.
Oh.
Just like you. Wing,
Oh.
wing, wing, wing.
Hi! We've got 4 chickens. Yours? I'm just gonna pat one of your chickens if I can. Sometimes they sit in the trees. They like eating corn seeds. Chickens! Sometimes they eat out of our hands. Good girls! You guys, come on to me. Oh, yes. Come on, you guys. My cat is called Mabel. Chickens lay their eggs in a special house. Oh, 3. Today there are 3 eggs. Please, that's lay the egg. Every day we collect the eggs. Got 3 more eggs. Oh, see, I put them back in. My brother cooks the eggs.
When they turn white, that's usually when they're cooked.
Come for some eggs too.
Depends how they like them. I reckon we'll put them on like that. So. Come on, guys, dinner's ready.
Yum! Yum! Yum. I love eggs. Fried eggs. It's yum. Bye!
All right, that's enough. Time for bed. Good night, cow. Sleep well. Love you to the moon and back, Jojo. Oh, I love you too. Poor Marie Poaka. You've got something to tell me? Ah, you silly sausage. Sweet dreams, sheepy. Sweet dreams, Jojo. No. He arewhana, an elephant? Hey, Mohio. Do elephants live on farms?
Tēnā koe, Jojo. Elephants live in the savannas, grasslands and deserts in Africa and Asia. They belong in the wild, and although you might see one at a zoo, e kore e noho ki tētahi pāmu. They don't live on a farm.
Thanks, Mohio. Off you go, out into the wild, Mr. Arewhana. Today at the farm I saw some sheep, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw some cows, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw some swans, swans with cygnets, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw some pigs, pigs with piglets, swans with cygnets, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw some ducks, ducks with ducklings, pigs with piglets, swans with cygnets, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw a horse with foals, ducks with ducklings, pigs with piglets, swans with cygnets, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw some deer, deer with fawns, a horse with fawns, swans with cygnets, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw some goats, goats with kids, deer with fawns, a horse with foals, ducks with ducklings, pigs with piglets, swans with cygnets, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm I saw some chooks, chooks with chicks, goats with kids, deer with fawns, a horse with foals, ducks with ducklings, pigs with piglets, swans with cygnets, cows with calves, sheep with lambs. Today at the farm it must be spring.
Hey, Tama, do you want to play What's in
The box? Yes, please, Maya. Here goes. Oh, oh, sorry. Sometimes I get a bit nervous right before I put my hand in the box. I'm never quite sure what I'm going to find. My manawa beats faster and my puku gets a bit sparkly. Like there's fireworks in there.
Oh, Tama, I get nervous sometimes too, but there's nothing scary in there. Pono. And did you know that being nervous and being excited feels almost the same? He orite te rongo o ngā mea e rua.
Oh, yeah, they do. You're right, Maya. I'm excited to find out what's in the box. Here goes. Oh, spiky, rough, dry, long bits. Feels like some sort of dried plant.
You're very close, Tama. I'll give you a clue. What do horses eat?
Grass? Hay? Hey! Hey!
Aye, you're right, Tama. It's hay.
Oh!
Hay is made from long grasses dried under the rays of Tama Nui Te Rā. It's used on farms when there's not enough grass left to feed the kararehe. Horses and cows think hay is delicious.
Oh.
Hello.
Can you see the goats, girls? Do you want to go feed them? We're just making the milk for the goats, eh?
Please.
Whisk it hard.
Good.
Yay. Woo. You're doing well. Do you want to put the lid on? And screw it on.
1, 2, 3. 4.
Woo! 4. Is it yours? Krista. Good girl. Lift it up, T. Good girl. Oh, Sven's trying to steal. Krista, you've had your milk. Is she hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's drinking lots. They're very hungry today, aren't they, Tia?
Bye.
Talofa, I'm Lucky, and this is story time. Today's story is about Tavita's dog Ace and the stinky old egg. Ace the tai whao. Ace the tai whao sniffed around the garden. Tavita saw Ace use his isu, nose, and his vai, paw. Ace pointed with his paw when he found something good to sniff. Tavita copied him. Tavita's mum was in the veggie patch laughing at Tavita trying to be a dog. Tavita and Ace sniffed at the kōwhai tree. Sniff, sniff, point. The lemon tree, sniff, sniff, point. And they were heading to the veggie patch when they heard a "Leai, not the veggie patch." And Mum sent them to the harakeke bush. Ace wagged his tail as they both jumped into the harakeke bush. "Ooh," said Tavita. It was an old egg that a chicken had laid. The egg cracked. "Oh no, that's stinky!" Tavita shouted. Ace and Tavita were covered in stinky old egg. But luckily, Mum was ready to wash them down with the hose. They both ran happily around the garden while Mum hosed them down. So far, soi for. We'll see you next time.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Akite ano, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kani kai and a really good play. Akite ano.